The ancient age of Indian history roughly extends from the prehistoric times to the 7th century. Around 2600 BCE, the ancient Indus Valley civilization flourished near the Indus River in northwestern India. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were the main cities of this civilization. These cities were advanced and well planned. They had special structures like the Great Bath and the Great Granary. Around 1500 BCE, the Aryans came to India from Central Asia. They settled in the northern plains. This era is called the Vedic Age. The four Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata and the Upanishads were scripted during this time. The people in this age were very religious. The kings had the support of the army commander and the royal priests to rule the land. Lord Mahavir and Gautam Buddha were two of the important religious leaders of this age. In 323 BCE, King Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire in India. He ruled with the help of his wise advisor, Chanakya. Chandragupta was succeeded by his son Bindusar, who stretched the boundaries of the empire. Bindusara's son Ashoka was the greatest of the Mauryan kings, and his empire spread to an even greater extent. Ashoka spread the message of peace among his people by inscribing them on monuments and pillars. Our national emblem of 3 lions and the chakra on our national flag have been taken from Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. From 4th to 6th century, India was under the Gupta Empire. This age is also known as the Golden Age of Indian history. During this age, India progressed a lot in the areas of art and culture, science, astronomy, and trade. During the 7th century, India came under the rule of the great Vardhana ruler, Harshvardhan. Huan Sang was a Chinese pilgrim who spent nearly 8 years in King Harshvardhan's court. He wrote a book called Si Yu Ki about Harshvardhan's reign.